it's a great book because it's not just about baseball; it's about life and really what baseball players go through. And it makes you feel bad when you boo those backup catchers that are hitting 180, but they're human beings.
Yep. So, I mean, and that's the reality. I mean, that's a funny.
He's got to hurry before the seagulls get here, because they're going to tear that bag apart and get free food. Like, oh, you found something. Oh, look at him. He's working it. You better hurry up, brother. What else is in here? I got some food. I could either eat what I got right now or get greedy. See, oh, here comes some pigeons. Where is it? There's a pigeon, but pigeon ain't down for him. Girl's like, something's in this motherfucker. Nope, that's empty. Fuck. Nope, that's empty too. Ooh, what did I get here? Here comes the seagull. See the shadow? I can't see straight ahead. That's why they side eye you. Let's get rid of the horn routine. Right when he's about to bite down, you give him oh, got him a little bit. Something's on the ground. What did I get here? What's in this bag? It's kind of heavy. Something in here. Some Frenchy fry? You like a Frenchy fry? Got a big hunk of chicken right there. Can you get it all down your throat? You just open up your throat like your mother. Come on. Don't be shy. So eat what's on the ground. He's trying to go for the bonus round. There's something in here. I can feel it. Some Frenchy fry. Just greedy, man. Meanwhile, he left that over there. He left that to have a maybe. Doesn't care if he makes a mess all over the parking lot or nothing. Usually, once he starts eating, other seagulls show up. Fight him for it.